Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. And as you all know, we have started with chapter shapes. So we have already covered the topic 2D shapes, line segment, ray, and I believe you all must have understood that much. So today we are going to talk about solid shapes, or we can say 3D shapes. So what are solid shapes? The shapes which cover a space, like a sphere. It covers a space, एक area cover करता है, like a cuboid. Okay, a box, a cube, a cuboid, cone, and a cylindrical shape. So let's move forward with this topic.
Let us explore solid figures. The different types of solid figures are cube, cuboid, cone, cylinder, and sphere. This is a cube, an ice cube, a cardboard box, a block are all examples of a cube. This is a cuboid. A bus, a tiffin box, a fish tank are all examples of a cuboid. This is a cone, an ice cream cone, a birthday hat, a pencil tip are all examples of a cone. This is a cylinder. A can, a drum, a mug are all examples of a cylinder. This is a sphere. A basketball, an orange, and marbles are examples of a sphere.
Now let us understand about plane and curved surface. So what is a surface? It is a part of a solid which either we can see or touch. जिसे या तो हम देख सकते हैं या फिर छू सकते हैं. So it is a surface. Now let us understand it through an explanation. Now students, let us understand about plane surface and curved surface. So what is a plane surface? Which is flat. So these two surfaces are flat. We can keep this in this way, okay, and this way, right? So it will be kept flat like this. But a curved surface is rounded. A curved surface is rounded. Flat surface, you understood? This is flat surface. This is flat surface. A cube has a flat surface, okay, and a cylinder has two flat surface and one curved surface. Understood? Okay. So what is a plane surface? That object that have flat surface on them are known as plane surface. And what is a curved surface? That have rounded surface. As I have shown you, that have a rounded surface are called curved surface. Now students, let us understand about faces, edges and vertices in solid shapes. So let's get started. Now students, let us understand about faces, edges and vertices. Okay, so this box is of what shape? Cuboid. Okay, this box is of cuboid shape. So let us see what is the face. How many faces does a cuboid have? See, this is a face 1, this is a face 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So these are all faces of a cuboid box shape. Okay, now where the faces meet, see here and here the faces are meeting. So this is a edge. This point is a edge. Okay, 1 and 2 faces, where 2 faces meet, it is known as a edge. Now what is a vertex? Vertex is a point where three edges meet. Now see, the face is this, edge is this. Now what is the vertex? This is a vertex. ये point, this point is vertex. Why it is vertex? See, ये edge meet कर रहा है इस point पे, ठीक है, ये edge meet कर रहा है इस point पे, and ये edge where three points are meeting, in 2D shapes, in plane shapes, you remember I said the corners are known as vertices also, but उसमें two sides जहाँ पे meet करती हैं उसको हम corner कहते हैं. But in a 3D shape, in a solid shape where three edges are meeting at a point, so that point is known as a vertices. So how many faces does a cuboid box have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And how many edges does it have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So there are 12 edges. How many vertices are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Clear? Now let us watch this video to understand it better. Now let us understand about the vertices, edges and faces on solid shape. So those objects that occupy space are called solid shapes and their surfaces are known as face. You can see, and when faces meet, two spaces meet at a point are known as edges, and where edges meet they are known as vertices. I told you earlier. So what shape is this? These are the examples of solid shapes: cone, cuboid, sphere, cylinder and a cube, right? So let us understand now different faces a cube has. Cube has 6 faces which are equal squares. You can see equal square, 12 equal square are 6 equal faces are there. Now it has 12 equal edges. See the orange part you are watching, so these are 12 equal edges, and here are the vertices where the edges are meeting. So how many vertices are there? 8 vertices. Now in a cuboid has 6 rectangular face. It has 6 rectangular face and its opposite faces are equal. Can you see opposite faces? They are equal. It has how many edges? Like cube, even a cuboid has 12 edge. See, it has 12 edge. And how many vertices does it have? This also has 8 vertices, right? Now let us understand about cylinder. Cylinder has 3 faces. How 3 faces? 2 of them are flat faces, top and bottom, and the middle one is the curved face, right? So the flat face are circles having same size. They are of the same size. And then there is a curved surface, right? So when the flat surface meet the curved surface, it has a circular edges. इसके क्या है? Circular edges हैं, right? Then a cone. Cone has 2 faces. One of them is flat. See, one of them is flat and circular. इसे flat and circular बोलेंगे. While the other one जो round होता है उसका वो क्या है? Curved है, right? It doesn't. Cone has one circular edge. इसके one circular edge आपको दिख रहा है and the top is the one point. Then we will talk about sphere. Sphere has neither any edges not vertices. उसके कोई edge या vertices नहीं होते, सिर्फ one curved face होता है, right? Understood? Now students, you all must go through this video very carefully. Watch it again and again to understand the concept of solid shapes, edges, faces and vertices. And after that, do exercise 4.3 on page number 66, 67. You have to do it in book itself. So as of now, bye bye and take care.